Hello traders, the title of the video is Fibonacci pattern trader dives into Euro, Swedish Krona, trading a big time. We want to use Fibonacci pattern to trade Euro, Swedish Krona. Alright, so if you do not know about Fibonacci pattern, what you can do is to go on YouTube and search for Fibonacci pattern trading by Dayprotraders YouTube channel. All right, I want you to watch it from our channel because I have been correcting some misunderstanding about Fibonacci pattern over the year, and there is a playlist about the Fibonacci pattern. And the reason why I'm saying that, so that I do not repeat myself one more time to annoy traders that have been faithful to me for years. All right, okay. Fibonacci pattern trader dives into Euro Swedish Krona trading big time. I need to remind forex trader that the Euro Swedish Krona is a friendly currency pair. So if you have been trading currency pair over the year, you will know currency pair that are friendly for you personally, and those that have been very nasty to you, because some currency pair, all they do, they just keep wasting your money. And if you see that, you recognize them, you try to stay away from them. You file for divorce. All right. Personally, I try to stay away from currency pair that include the Swiss franc. All right, that's myself. Okay, and also you want to understand the psychology of other currency pair. Currency pair that include yen are usually volatile, a bit challenging to trade. All right, so those are the things that you need to pay attention to. So this one, Euro Swedish Krona, is friendly. I'm talking about myself. Is it friendly to you? Let me know also in the comment section for swing trading and also for day trading. So, as I told Fibonacci traders at the Dayprotraders and also Dayprotrader YouTube channel, the first condition for finding Fibonacci pattern, I believe that probably I do not have enough data here, because normally we should have a trend first. So the scenario is that you have a trend, either a bullish trend, then you have a correction. Normally it shouldn't come to the beginning of the trend. And that correction, that pullback after a trend, or that rally after a downtrend, we call it XA. X for X-ray. And this point here, we call it A. Alright. And then we are looking for Fibonacci pattern. And those Fibonacci pattern will be in the shape of ABCD. Will be in the shape of ABCD. It's just a pattern. And quite often, you want to train your eyes so you may spot them very fast. And I spot one here. Feel free to disagree with me if you think that, George, there's nothing like a Fibonacci pattern here. Let me know in the comment section so I may come down on you like a stone. No, we don't do that on YouTube, okay? I won't come down on you like a stone, alright? Alright. Okay, ABCD. Alright, something like that. So this is what usually happens. In a downtrend, you will see a down move, alright, and then a rally up followed by ABCD. There are various types of Fibonacci patterns. So for new trader, we have a crab pattern, nothing to do with a crusher combo. We have butterfly pattern. Alright, and then we have the butterfly pattern. Looks like a butterfly. When you see the shape of that pattern, it looks like a butterfly, really looks like a butterfly pattern. We have a Gartley pattern, alright, and also we have a bat pattern. What is happening here? It looks like a Gartley pattern. So when we are talking about Gartley pattern, usually the Gartley pattern will find a resistance at the point D for delta. You find a resistance, okay, at the 78.6% Fibonacci, okay, retracement of the SA. This is the X, and this is the A right here. Are you following me? So advanced trader, allow me to speak also to new trader in case you say, George, move on, move on, move on. If you want me to move on, you can just move the video forward if you are more advanced traders. Say, George, you are wasting my time, blah, blah, blah. Okay, SA. Now see. So then we have here B, point B for Bravo. By the way, this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. Okay. It's neither a solicitation to buy or sell, okay, the euro Swedish krona. All right. By the way, Google is giving, okay, all right, grant to channels that are focusing on educational material. Hopefully, Google will give me also some grants. So tell Google to give me grant because we need grants so that we can access more, okay, financial instruments. We need to pay for those. So if I get a grant, I can do this full time for you guys, recording videos day in, day out, all right, doing educational video. They say you have to have a master degree. Master degree in financial market. It doesn't matter. You don't need master degree in financial market. You need experience, all right, fighting a professional, doing in real time. That's why you need not master degree. Sorry, Google. Sorry, you too. Now, you may apply for other, okay, subject, but trading, no master degree. Experience, all right, here it is. So ABCD, all right. So now, because the price now is 70, I apply Fibonacci retracement to the XA, retracement to XA. And the price now at the point D, at which level? 78.6%. I usually use 78.0. Today we'll talk about 78.6. I stick to my 78.0. So that's where we are now. So in my mind, using Fibonacci pattern, it looks to me that the euro Swedish krona at this point in time, I'm choosing my word very carefully, right? At this point in time, the first thing that is coming to our mind is a Gartley pattern. So the most important thing for the Gartley pattern that those who are using, okay, Fibonacci pattern will tell you is that the A to B, this price action, should be in the zone of what? All right, should go up to the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement of the SA. So normally they will say it should come all the way here. 61.8% of the SA, that's the A, B, before the B to C can go down minimum 38.2, maximum 88.6%. Yeah, you can see here stop at 38.2% Fibonacci retracement of A to B. So the BC was retracing the AB in this case at 38.2%. Now, originally, when we were here, because it didn't touch the 61.8% level, and it stopped at 50% level, Fibonacci pattern traders at this junction, when he was doing this, the pattern that is going to the mind of a lot of traders is what? The bat pattern. So the difference between the bat pattern, taking into consideration everything I've said so far, the bat pattern will go above the 78.6% for the point D. In theory, should stop at 78.6% of, should stop at 88.6% Fibonacci retracement. So you see, somewhere here we have the 88.6% Fibonacci retracement of what? The move from here to here, the SA. So that's why you see, because it stopped at 50%, didn't go to 61.8% in the mind of a Fibonacci pattern trader. They wanted to touch it. So you see here, when the price was at 78.6%, those who are thinking of Gartley pattern, all right, they start divesting, taking their profit here. Those who are using the Fibonacci pattern like exact sign, they say, George, it must go to 88.6%. So they are pushing it there. So swing traders that want to challenge the price here, if there is a trading setup to sell, if there is none, don't create it. The price can break through those levels and continue to go up. And if it goes above, okay, the 88.6% level, we start thinking of what? Butterfly pattern. And then if it continues to go up more, we will think of what? Crab pattern. So again, when we are using the Fibonacci pattern, it's one step at a time. So one pattern comes to your mind first, you say, okay, probably it's going to be a bad pattern, or you are thinking it's a Gartley pattern, and then you get the price continue to push it and say, oh, now it's a bad pattern. All right, then you continue to go up, or you say, oh, now it's a butterfly pattern, and then you say it's a crab pattern. But the structures of Fibonacci pattern are quite similar, all right? But you don't want to assume anything at the reversal point. The reversal point is the point D. So when it's here, people think, oh, Gartley pattern. And then you push it there, people say, oh, bad pattern. Then it goes up, and so on. So for us, practically trading, as we are looking at the Euro Swedish Krona, keeping our eye wide open at this junction here, it looks to me that people are challenging the price in the zone of 78.6% level. Whoa, looking at the candlestick pattern, see here, this one. Bullish candlestick by pushing up, bearish trader push it down, creating a bearish engulfment. Price slow down here, you push it back up again. Some people challenge it again here. We see again a bearish engulfment. Now we are analyzing the price as a point D. So whether you are trading any Fibonacci pattern after the pattern is completed, because we can trade a pattern as it's developing. So we can, if you spot it at early stage, so you know, point C, common sense lens kaput, implement a top down to the middle. You're taking it one step at a time, buying and selling at the key levels. All right, that's the price. Just flowing with the price. Okay. All right. Now at the point D, which means, all right, the pattern is completed now. Looks like it's completed, all right, unless you start running away again and we say, oh, where are you going? We thought you were going to calm down. All right, so you're here, everybody want to sell now. They want to sell here, okay? But don't be surprised if it crosses above it. So what you need to do at the point D, you want to examine, okay, especially on the monthly chart, examine the candlestick pattern, look for weaknesses, all right? Or if you want to buy, look for strength, all right? So looking at this here, there are weaknesses showing up here. And this month of October also, see, they push it again, and the bearish traders say, no, 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 no. And they are selling again here. So it looks to me that the price is finding it a bit difficult to cross the level of 104.89. So at this point in time, as always, I would say to traders, be ready to buy and be ready to sell. How? Prior to bullish signal above 104.89 and prior to bearish signal below it. Look first for trending setup, can be candlestick pattern and so on, price structure and so on, and then break it down, use a top-down trading method to trade it. That's the only way you're going to control the risk. Old-fashioned traders or market participant with deep pocket, they will just sell it and say, George, I don't care about your top-down trading method. I have enough money. I always sell here, and I place my stop loss above, okay, the 88.6% Fibonacci extension level. So Gartley traders will sell at 78.6% level, and they will hide their stop loss. There are stop loss here. All right. If the price goes above that level of 10770, you run fast. Because those who are selling here are Gartley pattern traders, their stop loss are here. Now, a trader asked me and said, George, you never talk about, this is the good time to answer that trader. Okay, trader said to me, George, you are talking about trading or blah, 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 about stock. It was at a 2-4 stock trader YouTube channel. The trader said, you never talk about the market makers. Well, I will be recording a video to answer that specific question. Now, one of the reasons is, all right, market makers, all right, level 2 trading, all right, is all in a pudding. What is the pudding? The price. Here it is. That's it. All right, so to answer that question, but I will be recording another video to answer the question why I don't bother too much to worry about market makers. The price will tell you what the market makers are doing. That's it. Okay, so here it is. All right, here it is. So prior to bullish signal above 104.89 and prior to bearish signal below that level using a different time frame trading method. This is a Fibonacci pattern at a terminal point, at a possible reversal point. All right, this is a conversion point. Those who are participating in the formation of that pattern, they will be coming out here. Bearish traders that were waiting will try to join them to sell here. Anything is possible. If he breaks above 104.89, find support, Watch out for 10770. If it goes above that level, watch out for the ultimate resistance at 11137. All right. Right now, concentrate on the candlestick pattern. All right, and use a different time frame trading method. All right. Now I'm drawing a channel, a blue channel on my monthly chart. And I will also draw a median line of that channel. So what we are doing now is to investigate or zoom into the price, okay? Do you agree that you two should give me a grant? All right, let me know. All right, see here, this one, you went out to retest the median line of that channel. What's going on? Amazing, amazing. Look at that. Okay, so let's go to the daily chart to investigate more. Here it is, look at that, very below, and retest. Shh, you sold it. Time's up. Very below, retest. Common trend line is kaput. You went down too fast though. You need to be careful you push it. So let's go this one going on here. Also draw this trend line on your daily chart. This one. That's a black trend line. Draw it on your daily chart. See? Alright. Okay. Alright, one more thing. Pitchfork tool. Don't forget, you always use pitchfork tool, alright? That is your path to take into consideration, alright? So this is the end of this tutorial about the Fibonacci pattern trader dives into Euro Swedish Krona trading big time. Is it big time? All right, let me know. On the hourly time frame, okay, we can draw this trend line on the hourly time frame, or even put again. If it's not too much for you, here it is on the hourly time frame. Too many lines, George? Now I'll say to you, it's my chart. I can do whatever I like with my chart. Can I? You can do that also on your hourly time frame. All right? So this will conclude our discussion today about area with about Fibonacci pattern trader dives into Euro Swedish Krona trading a big time. If you have any question or suggestion, please put in the comment section. In due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. If you are not impressed at all, don't go away, mark it down. If you think this is an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. It is free. Alright, be sure to click on the notification bell, so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. If you are watching this on Facebook, remember our channel, okay, about the Fibonacci pattern trading is Dayprotraders YouTube channel. Subscribe, it is free. Alright. That's it, alright. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about Fibonacci pattern trader dives into Euro Swedish Krona trading big time. Before you run away, I would like to talk about a trading software that I can recommend to traders, because traders always ask me about the trading software. Go to www.stochasticmarket.com or dayprotrader.com or 24elliottwaves.com. You will see a banner about Trade Idea. Trade Idea is a trading software that has been in place for years. It allows traders to find a high probability trading setup. This is not a joke. This is a serious matter. They have been doing it for years in the stock market. They are the leaders for years. They are dominating that session. They are using artificial intelligence to pinpoint high probability trading setup. The reason why I'm talking about it, the reason why I'm recommending it, so you go to our website, check the banner, okay, and if you are interested, you take it from there. The reason is that if you go to Dayprotraders, they are giving some free trial recently. So go to Dayprotraders, you click on it. So it's because without a valid trading setup, there is no winning trade. A lot of traders are struggling to find high probability trading setup. With that software, you have many trading software up to 500, all right, whether you are day trading, swing trading. And from there, the only thing that you need to do, because they are finding ready-made high probability setup with that software. Your job is to use the top-down trading method to trade it during the best time of the day. So if you are day trading, the first 2 hours when the market open, you find high probability trading setup. Especially if you are using it for the first time, you see a trading setup that you like, you want to master it first, or you already master it. Those are the ones that you want to focus on. And then you are trading the same thing every day. That's what the professionals are doing. So professional traders are using the trading idea for years, especially institutional trading companies. They use that, so they gather all this information. That's why high frequency traders can pinpoint those because they see those information before the market open, and they know exactly what they are targeting, what they want to trade. And for some traders, this may be very useful. For some traders, it may not. Some traders prefer to go manually. For some traders, they need help, and the trading idea can help those traders. So it's there for you, because traders always disturb me and say, "Yo, trading software." I say, "No, I don't do trading software." I say, "Yo, please, trading. I trade idea." Go to our website, stochastic-money.com, Dayprotraders 248 your way. Check the banner and take it from there. If I remember, okay, I'll put the link in the description section. Otherwise, you go to our website, you click on it, it will be there all the time for you. Thank you for watching, and I will speak to you very soon.